Tired of hunting for the export button in Jira? Here is exactly how to export any workflow in under a minute. We will open your project, access the automation settings, and export the workflow as a JSON file. Let us go step by step. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. This is where everything starts, so make sure you are on your main dashboard before we move forward. Now, navigate to your project from the left-hand panel. You will see a list of your recent projects there. Just click on the one that contains the workflow you want to export. And here's the thing, if you have a lot of projects, you can use the search bar at the top of that panel to find it quickly. All right, once you are inside your project, look for the 3 dots right next to the project name. It is a small icon, usually sitting at the top of the page beside the project title. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Space Settings. This is the option that takes you into the configuration area for the whole project. I have tested this on a bunch of different Jira setups, and it is always the same path, so you are in the right place. In the Settings page, you will see a menu on the left-hand side. Find the option that says Automation and click on it. This is where all of your automation rules live. If you've never been here before, do not worry. It is straightforward once you know where to look. Now you are looking at a list of all your workflows. Locate the specific workflow you want to export and click on the 3 dots at the end of that row. This opens up a small menu of actions you can take on that particular rule. Finally, click on an Export JSON. That is it. Your browser will immediately start downloading the file. It will save as a .json file, which is basically a text format that you can open, share, or import into another Jira instance later. And that is all there is to it. No more digging through endless menus or wondering if the option even exists. You can now export any Jira workflow in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!